For this tutorial, we are going to make pumpkins and mushrooms in the style of Yayoi Kusama. Yayoi Kusama is a Japanese artist who uses lots of dots in her art. She is known for these sculptured pumpkins, and even in her mushroom or toadstool prints, she creates lots of dots and pattern textures within her pieces. Let's begin drawing the center of our pumpkin, a nice simple oval shape, and then we'll add the ribs on both sides, building up the shape of our pumpkin. We're also going to add this extra piece in the back to help with the back of our pumpkin for later. This helps with where we put the stem and then also adding shapes to it after. Let's add some more ribs, more sides, and build up our pumpkin. And your rib sides don't all have to be the same. They can have a little bit of a different shape to them as you go around to the back. You can draw the stem however you like. You can add swirly stem or a leaf onto your stem or make it really big or really small. And don't forget to draw the back of your pumpkin. Now it's time for doing the dots while still creating a pattern in the style of Yayoi Kusama. We're going to be using black sharpies for this, and we're going to draw our dots out and then fill them in. First we start with the big dots in the center and then move down to the medium dots along each side. Make sure to have them close together, but still leave a space. And as we draw over to the next ribs, we're going to go and do half circles along the lines of the ribs close by. So we're not actually doing larger big circles. Then we'll add our medium size dots all the way down the row. I'll just zoom in here. After that, we'll fill in smaller dots and we'll go all the way to the edge. Let's just show what that looks like following the same pattern on all the rib sections of the pumpkin. Here again, half circles, medium dots to smaller dots. After you're done, you can outline the lines of the pumpkin afterwards with the black Sharpie, but you don't need to because the pattern actually helps the visual and show it, and that's maybe more of the style of Yayoi Kusama. Change up your stem. You can fill it in all black, you can add little white dot stuff to it. And then take your pumpkin and cut it out, and then find a different color paper for your background that will really make your pumpkin pop. And then here's where we take either paint pens or marker and we add different patterns to the background. Glue down your pumpkin after you're done, and here are some examples of different patterns that have been created by my students. And you can see that all of them have different paint pen kind of patterning here, and it's really creative planning, so it's all about what you want. We've also done this project where we focused on Yayoi Kusama mushrooms. We can see that her mushrooms are random in size and they have lots of different patterns. So here are some examples of the kids' work where we've placed pumpkins in our scene with different size mushrooms and had fun with patterns. I hope you enjoyed this. This is a fun project to do and to change up as you go and have fun with composition. So now it's time for you to try. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I can't wait for you to showcase your own pumpkin style artwork in the style of Yayoi Kusama.